A very fine good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. In the previous video, we have discussed the introduction. We have just introduced the chapter. Today we are going to do my practice time 1. Okay, so now let's start with my practice time 1. Take the figure that represent the correct line of symmetry. Okay, you have to take the figure that represent the correct line of symmetry. See this. A horizontal line of symmetry is there. Both the halves are identical, so it is correct line of symmetry because both the halves are identical. In this, both the halves are not identical. This one is bigger, this is smaller. Okay, so it is not the correct line of symmetry. Same here, not the correct line of symmetry, both the halves are not identical. And in this, both the halves are identical, so it's a correct line of symmetry. Okay? Now draw the line of symmetry for the following figure if possible. Now you have to draw in question number 2 a line of symmetry if possible. Okay? See, I have drawn the vertical line of symmetry so that both the halves become equal. In this B part, it is not possible to draw the line of symmetry because see, a little differences are there in this. See, a curve this side, not in this side. Here the tip is pointed, here not so pointed. Okay, and see here a curve downward, here upward, here a bump is there. So this figure we are not going to divide, or means we are not able to draw the line of symmetry, because if we are able to draw, then the two halves are not equal. Okay, so it is not possible in this. Yes, we can easily draw. See, horizontal upper and lower part, both halves are identical. When we are going to draw vertical, then left and right. Okay, is it clear? Right and left, both halves are identical. So this one is right. Okay, you can draw the two lines of symmetry. I have told you that some figures are there in which we can draw more than one line of symmetry. So here two are there. Okay, so rest others you can try it yourself. Now come to 1/4 turn, the very important about clockwise direction, and it's also given in clockwise direction. Okay, question number 5 is NS, not in syllabus. Now let's start with question number 3 and 4 about 1/4 and 1/2 turn. See beta, I have shaded this figure. Okay, this only this part. So total part is 4 and shaded part is 1. So its fraction is 1/4. Is it clear? Firstly, before turn, the point must be clear to you. Now I shade this. Now fraction is 2/4. Because two parts are shaded, total are 4. Now shade this also. Now in total 3/4. Okay, 3 parts shaded, total 4. Now 4/4 cut means 1. Okay, 4 parts shaded, total 4, 1 whole number we get. Okay, is it clear? Now see about 1/4 turn. In the 1/4 turn, suppose you are at here. Okay, you have to make 1/4 turn. 1/4. So only one part means 1/4. So you come here. Is it clear? Sure. Now suppose you are at here. You have to turn 1/4. So you come here. Okay. आप यहाँ आ जाएंगे. Is it clear? And suppose you are at here. 1/4 term. You come here. And suppose you are at here. 1/4 turn. You come here. Is it clear? Just you have to cover 1/4. 1/4 means beta quarter. Okay, is it clear? Sure. Very good. Let me give you one more example. See, I have drawn this arrow. You have to turn 1/4. Okay, arrow means tip is here. 1/4. Just you come here. Is it clear? Now I drew this arrow. You have to turn 1/4. Means you are at here. 1/4 means make a sign of plus. आप यहाँ पर हैं. 1/4. Yes. Upside you will come. Here. Okay. In the rough you can make this plus sign so that there is less chances of the mistake. Okay. Sure. Final. So I think it's clear. Now see. 1/4 tip is here. So it will come downward. Clockwise direction. Okay. Means we have to go like a clock. See. In the clockwise direction we will go in the right straight. Like this. Straight. Okay. Means we have to follow the times in the clocks. See. 12 के बाद 1, 2, 3. ऐसे ही जाते हैं हम क्लॉक में. अगर आप यहाँ पर होते हो क्लॉक में, सपोज इट इज एट 6, तो यहाँ पर ही जाओगे ना अपनी राइट डायरेक्शन में. बट इफ आई से एंटी क्लॉकवाइज और आप यहाँ पर हो, एंटी में आप अपोजिट जाओगे. इज इट क्लियर? इज द डिफरेंस इज क्लियर? ओके. अगर क्लॉकवाइज हुआ तो आप अपना राइट पाथ ही फॉलो करोगे, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में आप अपोजिट. इज इट क्लियर? गुड. नाउ सी दिस हार्ट शेप. टिप इज एट हियर. Starting point. So this come this side. Okay. Is it clear? Like this. Now this arrow is pointing this side. So this arrow will point downward. Because in the plus sign, if someone is at here at quarter or 1/4 turn, it will be at here. Okay. Sure. Now come to 1/2 turn. It's very simple. In the half turn, 1/2, half turn, इसे हम 1/2 नहीं बोलेंगे. जैसे हमने 1/4 बोला था. Now you have to speak 1/2. It's very simple, very simple, very simple. See. Suppose you are at here. You will at here at 1/4. And you are at here 1/4. Then you are at here at 2/4. अगर आपको 2/4 करना है, यहाँ पर आओगे फिर यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ स्टॉप हो जाओगे. ओके. 2/4 मीन्स कट करो 2 1s are 2 2s are. So it's half. Okay. 2/4 means half. Is it clear? Sure. And the next easiest way is for learning about half turn. Suppose you are at upward, just opposite the direction. Now you are at downward. It's a half turn. And you are at here, just opposite the direction. This is the half turn. Is it clear? So in the half turn, you have to, what you have to do, just opposite, you have to draw. Okay. If you are at downward, half turn, you are at upward. Okay. Is it clear? See, after half turn this, it will look same. Because draw karo, half turn, this, it will definitely look same. And in this triangle will come downward because it is showing upward. And in half turn, it will come downward. It will look same. Okay. In the half turn, just we have to, what we have to do? Just we have to opposite. We have to move to opposite direction. It is not in syllabus. Question number 5. Now come to the reflection. I have told you it is an mirror image or water image. तो हमने रिफ्लेक्शन में क्या करना है बेटा? The left side appear right, right appear left. Simply take this image, put it this side. Just reflection, put it this side like this. This side. तो आप इसे ऐसे put करेंगे. Now it will look like this, something this. Is it clear? It will definitely look same. In the reflection, left side appear right and right side appear left. Now reflection, just put it here like this. Okay, put it this side. So the same figure you will make it here. Okay, similarly this arrow, just put it this like this. Reflection, it is a mirror. Okay, and you have to draw the reflection, so put it to this side. This one, just put it to this side. Is it clear? So you have to draw the reflection of the following. Everyone, is it clear? Now come to the turns and patterns. We have already studied that a pattern is repeated sequence of shapes. It is a repeated sequence of shapes. Okay, see the beautiful patterns, wonderful patterns. It is the repeated sequence of shapes. Okay, sure. So let's see the terms and the patterns. Complete the following pattern. See, the blue is at the right side. Now come to the downward. What comes next? It will come left side. Then in the next it will come upside. Okay, you have to observe it carefully. Okay, see the next one. Circle is at top, then right, then down. Again it will come at left, then again at the top. Okay, sure. Now square, triangle, square, triangle. Then again square and triangle. Is it clear? So you have to complete the patterns. They are very easy. Complete it. Now moving towards square numbers. Square numbers, very important topic, and triangular number, very important topic. Okay, is it clear? So the question related to square and triangular number is given in your worksheet. The numbers which can be arranged in the form of square using dots are called square number. Okay, the numbers which can be arranged in form of square using dots are called square number. 1, 4 is a square number, 3 is a square number, 9 and 16 is a square number. There are a lot of square numbers, means we can arrange in the form of square. See, square number, fourth square number means 4 dots in 4 lines. Okay, so total are 16. So 4 4s are 16, means fourth square number is 16. Is it clear? Fifth square number means 5 dots in each line, total line 5s. The fifth square number is 25. So with the help of 25 you can draw the square. Eighth square number 64. Is it clear? 8 dots in each line, total lines 8. Sure? Now come to the triangular number. Numbers which can be arranged in the form of triangle using dots are called triangular number. Okay, see 1, see these 3, 6, see. Okay, 10. Is it clear? So what you have to do in this, suppose I say please find 10th triangular number. So you have to arrange dots like in the base 10 dots, then 9, then 8, then 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you will make the pattern. Okay, 10th triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 55 is the 10th triangular number. Okay, you have to arrange in the base 10, then 9, then 8 and so on. Okay, so you will get 10th triangular number is 55. Okay, now you have to do it yourself. Still you face